Yuke Grassland. Just the name makes you think of peaceful, rolling meadows, right? It's a whole lot more than that. Nestled at a cozy 3,715 meters above sea level, this place is the VIP section of the Tibetan Plateau. And guess what? It's got free entry year-round. No ticket required, just bring your curiosity and maybe some altitude-friendly snacks. Here we are, gliding over the meadows, also known as the official home of the most relaxed cows on Earth. Seriously, these yaks have mastered the art of chilling. While we are over here getting our steps in, they are probably debating which part of grass is the best buffet. Spoiler alert, they all look the same to us, but to them, it's gourmet dining. Our drones buzzing around, probably making them wonder if it's a UFO or just a really noisy bird. And look at this guy, just living his best life, one bite of grass at a time. If you think about it, these yaks are the true influencers of Yuke Grassland. They have no need for social media, but I bet if they had an Instagram, they'd have a million followers just for existing. Oh, hold up. Did that yak just give our drone the side eye? Yo, flying camera, this is my grass. Don't worry, buddy. We're just here for the views, not your lunch. This grassland is so big, it makes my city park look like a postage stamp. Today is a perfect afternoon, around 4 p.m., so the sun's giving us that soft golden glow. You know, the kind of light that makes everyone look like they just stepped out of a slow-motion shampoo commercial. Oh, and look at that, clouds everywhere. It's like Mother Nature took her time today. Now we're diving into the valley, where the grass is lush and the streams are, well, they're doing their thing, flowing like they've got somewhere to be, but also nowhere at all. I mean, these streams must have really good life otherwise. Go with the flow and make sure to take your time. Okay, I have got to admit, this is the kind of view that makes you want to throw out all your city plans, pack a bag and just run away to a place like this. You know, I'm just going to get away from it all, forever. Look at this, the mountains, the grass, the clouds. It's like nature's wallpaper that you wish you could have on your phone, but with zero data charges. Oops, looks like our drone is doing its best impression of a tourist, trying to find the best angle for a selfie. It's okay though. We've all been there, trying to get the perfect shot, and then realizing you accidentally captured 10 seconds of sky instead of the actual view. No worries, we'll get it back on track. As we take in this stunning view, let me remind you, we are at 3,715 meters above sea level right now. That's right, altitude with attitude. And even though I'm sitting comfortably here in the lowlands of the drone controller, the views make me feel like I should start speaking with a deeper voice or something. You know, I'm the lord of the grasslands. Here's the thing, this isn't just any regular mountain range or grassland. This is the kind of place where you can feel the earth's pulse. The mountains, the river to the sky, they are all part of something much bigger than us. And when you are up here, it's hard not to feel like you've just stepped into a nature documentary, minus the British accent. Now our drone's taking a path that's more chill than my Netflix queue. Check out those Tibetan houses, tents, and prayer flags, fluttering like they're waving at us. It's like the grasslands saying, come hang out, but don't step on the flowers. As the sun starts to sink behind the mountains, we say goodbye to another perfect day in Yuke Grassland. It's been real, folks, real high up, and real beautiful. If you ever find yourself here, just remember to take a moment, breathe in that crisp mountain air, and appreciate the fact that you experienced something truly unforgettable. So until next time, if you are looking for peace, beauty, and the occasional yak selfie, you know where to find it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little high altitude perspective.